Hey there, Escambia County. Let's talk about how easy it is to print forms and letters through the communication module in Focus. You can navigate to your communication module by clicking Students and Communication. Once here, you're going to choose that Templates option. Once your screen loads, you're going to notice every letter or form that you have access to use or that you've created. For my example, I'm going to choose this one, and it's going to populate straight into the Compose screen. Now it's time to select your students. If you know the student, you can either select them from your drop-down or paste their number. If you have a student group that you've created, you can select that from here. If you have a list of student numbers or you need to print for a grade level, you're going to choose your More Search options with that magnifying glass. For my example, I'm going to choose my 9th grade, and then I'm going to click Search. Once those students appear, I'm going to check all, and then I'm going to click Done. You'll see those 9th grade students have now populated here. My next step is to click the Print button. Once that screen loads, I do have some print options as well. I can choose from any of these. Now I want to draw your attention to printing in primary context language. What this means is that this form will print out in whatever language was selected via the home language survey. Add log record is automatically selected here, and I could sort this by student name or by a class period. Once I'm ready, I'm going to click my green Generate Letter and print. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to help you master Focus.